to review the Canary all-in-one home security system. So we are unboxing it. I did already take off the plastic film, so it'd be a little bit faster. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so here it is. The Canary Smart Home Security for everyone. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a close-up and you guys can pause it and read it. This camera does have HD video recording, air monitoring, 90 plus dB siren, motion detector, and home alerts. So let me take this out of the sleeve because I only have one hand, so be right back. Alright, so here we are. It's just a black box. So now we're gonna set it down. Oh yes, open it. Set that to the side. Alright, so we have, what do we have? We have a Canary get started type thing for the app. Directions, I guess. We have some stickers to put on your window to say your house is protected. We have a yellow aux, or whatever you call this thing, an aux cord, I guess, to pair to the device. We have I think it might be a 10 or 15 foot USB charger. Always have to be plugged into the Canary where it won't work. We have the connects to the cord right there. And then we have the Canary itself right here. So let me put up all the boxes and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, so here we are. We have the Canary and all the things. So we don't care about this right now. We'll set this all aside. Okay, here's this part. Ooh. Ooh, fresh. Alright, so this is a Canary. Feels pretty light actually. You can hook it up to Ethernet right there. Right there. And that's where you plug it in, and that's also where you plug it in. And yeah, so let me get this hooked up to the wall and I'll get back to you guys. So here it is. See how long the cord is. But yeah, so I can't show you the setup process because I do not have another phone to do the setup process. But yeah, this is the Canary all-in-one home security system. And yeah, so far I'm going to review it and see how good it is. And yeah, so thanks again everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and have a nice day. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to set up the app now. We're going to do the setup process. Okay, so here we go. We have the Canary and the iPhone. So alright, so we're going to go to the app and we're going to get started. Shoot. Take that off. There we go. Alright, so sorry if you guys can't see this. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up and do all that, but I already have an account, so we're going to sign in. Alright, so I'll be right back. Going to put my information. Alright, so then we're going to hit done. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Okay, so click continue. So we're going to click continue. Alright, so yeah. Alright, whatevs. Oh well. Okay, so we're gonna go to home. So there is actually, this is just the app overview. Okay, so there's home, there's away, so when you're gone, and then it'll start to record, which I don't want, so would it allow? Turn. So hit allow. Allow. Alright, so there's that. And then there's night mode. So yeah, anyways, and then you can swipe down with the timeline. It'll tell you when you entered home mode or night mode. It'll also tell you when you entered away mode. And then it will tell you activity detected in home. There's all the activity. I sounded alarms just to be for the fun of it. Siren is extremely loud. So yeah, show your videos. But anyways, yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.